Segment 5, our first word, castle. Repeat after me, castle. That is typically a building of medieval period that's fortified against attacks with thick walls, battlements, towers, and in many cases, a moat. A sentence, I live in a castle. Repeat, I live in a castle. Our next word is colonel. Repeat, colonel. The meaning of this word is a rank of officer in the Army and in the US Air Force above a lieutenant colonel and below a brigadier or brigadier general. A sentence, Daniel's dad is a colonel. Repeat, Daniel's dad is a colonel. Next word, calcium. Repeat, calcium. The meaning of this word is the chemical element of atomic number 20, a soft grey metal. A sentence, milk is rich in calcium. Repeat, milk is rich in calcium. Next word, conclusion. Repeat, conclusion. The meaning of that word is the end or finish of an event process or text. An example in a sentence, the conclusion of World War II. Repeat, the conclusion of World War II. Next word, crepe. Repeat, crepe. That is a light thin fabric with a wrinkled surface. An example sentence, a crepe bandage. Repeat after me, a crepe bandage. Next word, chartreuse. Repeat that after me, chartreuse. Now this is a pale green or yellow liqueur made from brandy and aromatic herbs. An example in a sentence, James's dad loves drinking chartreuse. Repeat that. James's dad loves drinking chartreuse. Next word, catch. Repeat, catch. That means to intercept and hold something which has been thrown, propelled, or dropped. An example in a sentence, catch it if you can. Repeat that, catch it if you can. Next word, couple. Repeat, couple. This means two people that are married. An example in a sentence, in 3 weeks the couple fell in love and became engaged. Repeat that sentence. In 3 weeks the couple fell in love and became engaged. Next word, caesura. Repeat, caesura. This is in Greek and Latin verse, a break between words with a metrical foot. So an example in a sentence, a caesura performs the function of a comma. Repeat that. A caesura performs the function of a comma. Next word, come. Repeat that word, come. That means to move or travel towards or into a place thought of as near or familiar to the speaker. So an example in a sentence, come out of the room, Mum screamed. Again that sentence, come out of the room, Mum screamed. The next word, chalet. Repeat after me. Chalet. This is a wooden house with overhanging eaves, typically found in the Swiss Alps. An example in the sentence, I would love to live in a chalet. Repeat that. I would love to live in a chalet. Let's review those 10 words from segment number 5. Remember, we had castle, kernel, conclusion, crepe, chartreuse, catch, couple, caesura, come, and lastly, chalet.